I don't need no reason. Don't tell me God.
Drops of Jupiter, kuya.
Yon! Drops of Jupiter, kuya.
Pwede.
Drops of Jupiter.
Drops of Jupiter.
Are you somebody?
Thank you. Oh, pwede rin.
Somebody to love.
I've been running around, looking down, and all I see pretty faces and the places I can reach. And all you somebody.
Are you somebody?
Patingin niya ako ng kuko mo.
Ang umpisa pala na yan.
Wow!
Ang ikli pa
Ano lang natin, putol?
Oo. Mamaya, puputulan ko yan. Ako rin eh, kapuputol ko lang tingnan mo. Paraw tayo ng lago.
Isa pa ako.
Yung mga ano-ano.
Hidden faces fill the places I can't reach. You know that I can use somebody.
Din, oh, salamat.
There's a monkey
You
in
can
the
play Din. Salamat. Ng buko. Broken.
By gorillas, anything by
Tingnan mo, mas malambot yung buko pag walang conditioner.
Ang
soft. Kasi pag may conditioner pa minsan, pag araw-araw conditioner, oily, tapos
plastic tree.
I heard it's
Won't you come with me?
healthy.
not hindi healthy.
Diba? Saka pag shampoo, hindi rin healthy araw-araw.
Should be just body.
Oo.
Kasi, wet and then dry. Pero hindi ko lang.
Super damage na yung hair ko.
No. It doesn't look damaged.
Kuba ka ba?
Hindi.
Hindi ako sanay ganito. Si Kim. Laging nakasit up
Oo,
straight.
lagi siyang ganyan.
Oh, things hardcore, man.
Every little things turns me on.
Why? Can't do it.
Because your mom had to see.
Oo nga eh.
My ex-girlfriend, like this. My Patricia, the Singaporean one.
Maganda dyan, alam mo
Even
yung
when we're chilling, like just like that, she's
maganda yung sa buhok. Yung hindi ka araw, oo, yung coconut. Saka yung
Singaporean.
yeah. She's
sa
like,
natural coconut.
I've never seen
Lalagyan sa
anyone like
buhok
her.
mo. Kasi
Yeah,
babanlawan mo lang siya. Hindi mo siya...
Cocoa butter. Oh wait.
Cocoa butter? You know what the guy's stretch marks? Cocoa butter?
Can't do this na matagal.
I try and do it, but then I get
Rambo.
lazy.
Ako din.
One night romance.
Hindi mo na kaganyan ka naman.
Rambo naman.
But when I was younger, I used to sit like this. Pero
Ako nga sa confession room, nakaganon ako.
after then, I'm always like this or like this.
Relax.
Bakit inggit ka sa akin? Kasi all I need. Where's my twin? Nasaan siya?
Wala, nasa pool.
Hey, big bro.
You are my soul, you are my melody. To you, baby,